So I would like for us to talk a little bit about JVK. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel, where I give travel tips for the young professional who likes to travel in luxury for leisure. I'm so excited for this video. This is in retrospect. This was a part of my 31st birthday trip where I went to Istanbul, Turkey, as well as Cappadocia, Turkey. Basically, at the end of my trip, we had stayed in a bunch of different hotels, but this was supposed to be the special hotel, and it was for my actual birthday night. And so I'm going to bring you to this hotel. Hopefully this is helpful. So CVK, as it's written in the English language, is actually pronounced JVK. Their concierge was amazing. We walked into the grand lobby. We immediately went to the concierge and decided to get all of our activities out of the way while we were checking in, because we wanted to go to a really good Hamam and we wanted them to recommend one. And they recommend the most famous one like ever that we didn't even know about. It's like famous in Istanbul and like famous to the people who know. It's like if you know, you know, you know. So like Oprah has been there, like the Smiths have been there, everybody has been there, and everyone frequents there. And they're low key, so nobody really knows about this place, but you gotta know about it through people who know about it. So we ended up booking, a treatment there. They showed us to our room. Beautiful, beautiful view. Well, the first room didn't have a beautiful view, and I said, I don't think that this is the room that I'd like to stay in. I would like to stay in a room with a better view. And so they accommodated me. They were very gracious, very professional, and I always appreciate that kind of customer service. So I will just go ahead and just show you the room tour. I was so into very specific design features, which I'll show to you in the video. And then we'll be back. Hey! It's my birthday. Come in. Oh my goodness. Welcome. This is my crib for my birthday. I'm in Istanbul. It's my first time here. Turkey has been amazing. And this room is amazing as well. First of all, it's such a nice, spacious suite. I have like a little atrium. I like a good entryway. The cabinetry is so pretty. The wood and the velvet texture, also with the diamond sort of like divots. And then when you open it, it's so nice because we have a couple of things in here, and then when you like kind of hang things up on the railing, it lights up. How cool is that? I just like nice things to look at. This is where a lot of our stuff is. We went to the Grand Bazaar today, and so we bought a lot of stuff, some goodies for other people. I'm not gonna show you. So that's where all of that is. You probably saw all of our luggage. I really like the marble vibe. This is marble tile, but it's good, Slabs of marble would cost me a lot of money to stay in a hotel like that. So I like this aesthetic. It's good. Okay, so the bathroom, so cute, right? Oh my gosh, okay. So some more marble aesthetic. I really love the symmetry. It's just very, very it's like a warm hug. Symmetry is a warm hug to me. And just the color scheme, it's cool. And I really love how the bathroom, so this is what I really love. So when you have two rooms kind of like off each other, and one sort of living space is like warm, neutral, but then a space where you kind of just are for fewer moments of the day that you want to be calm but also feel more sterile. I love cool colors. So I love how they did that juxtaposition, the warmth in the sort of like entryway, and you'll see in the bedroom area, and then the cool tones here. You know what else is cool? This is our bathtub. And I love this because I think this is the button here. Yeah. So if you don't want anybody to see you, just flip that button right there. Press that button, not flip that switch. You get what I mean? Okay, that's gonna be nice. Let's see. Oh. Okay, all right, bye. I'm just gonna take it. No, I'm kidding. That was so cheesy, but I loved it. It's my birthday. Okay, let's get on with it. So, let's see. I mean, there's a toilet here, but it's kind of rude to show you a toilet. There's a toilet in here. It looks nice, and I'm sure it's very comfortable. Okay. Luggage, living space. So we have a nice little coffee bar here. There is a tea kettle. I haven't really opened all these. Oh, well, there you go. It's the mini bar. And a bar it is. I prefer a martini, you know that. So, the space, mirror paneling, a mirror on a mirror, which I think is so extra, but it's so, yeah, I mean, it's Turkey, like what do you expect? Cute, nice, not like an overly obtrusive television, just the right size. A nice writing desk. I really love the contrast of colors. Again, like warm tones, nice oval feel. It kind of gives me like very cosmopolitan vibes, but then when you put this map on here, it's like super like kind of like old English style library. So I love sort of that, you know, those ideas together. It's very me, very Gemini, very a little bit of this and a way over here and then way over there and then come together and it's a beautiful, beautiful specimen. Okay, obviously the view. I mean, this is the Bosphorus. This is just amazing. I mean, these doors don't open because this is like a deluxe suite, but it's not like a executive suite. So we have like one of those fake balconies and it's not up to code. So they can't open past like here. And obviously if they opened and I went out there and it collapsed because it's not, you know, fire code, we would all be in big trouble. But I think it's beautiful. So this is where the sleeping and the relaxation will happen. Again, like I love the traditional paneling, sort of bottom and top. That's very cool because you don't always see that these days, especially in hotels. The ceiling is awesome. You've got this chandelier here and then sort of like an outline of the, so there's pattern. And I don't know what, I actually don't know what these are called. It's like an atrium style ceiling where this actual ceiling is elevated and there's like a wooden panel kind of like outlining the ceiling but at a lower level, and then you got lighting. So I can't remember what that's called, but I like it, it's cool. And honestly, that's it. It's my birthday. I have birthday things to do, so I think you know what to do. Thanks for coming. First of all, it was beautiful. It was a huge place. They had a club there. They had 2 restaurants there. They had a hookah lounge there. So many things to do in one place. I also love that there were 2 great restaurants. There was one steak restaurant and there was one seafood restaurant. I mean, the steak restaurant had amazing views. It was kind of in the same general area, but there were amazing, amazing views. It was just gorgeous, wonderful food, wonderful service. And it was just all in one place, which I appreciated. And then we went to the hookah lounge, you know, did a little hookah, like rang in my birthday. It was like midnight. So, you know, we walked over the bridge and saw the water. It was like 3 different buildings in one hotel. And so there were bridges, many stories high. And we just had so much fun at the lounge. We had some drinks, we did hookah, and you know, it was like music, and it was just awesome, 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 awesome. So, customer service, 5 out of 5. Food, 4 out of 5. Cost, it was about $500 a night. And accommodation, 4 out of 5. That's it. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Thank you for watching, and come back for more travel tips for the young professional who likes to travel in luxury for leisure. See you next time.